Right now, most men are excited about their 2026 plan. It gives you hope. That feeling that next year is finally going to be different. I deleted mine, just like that. Here's why. My list started small and got bigger, and then I realized that I can't even see what's truly important anymore. It all just became noise, so I got rid of it. I went back to the drawing board. I decided that I need two extremes. Something super far out in the future to guide me, and something very concrete, very close to tell me what to do today. This became my signal. What is it that I need to do now so that I have zero regrets when I'm out of time in my deathbed? And here, the second step, what concrete actions on a daily basis do I need to execute to get better, to move the ball forward? You start by asking yourself, what feels hard and what am I avoiding? Because fear is temporary, regret lasts forever. And fear is that dark cloud that keeps you from seeing out into the future so that you don't have regrets at the end of the day. Step number 2, once you're clear on what your signal looks like, you actually do something very radical. You do something completely opposite. You forget the long-term plan and you ask yourself, what do I need to do today? What does my winning day look like? How do I win Tuesday? You wake up in the morning, you start from zero. No matter what you did yesterday, it doesn't matter anymore. You start at zero today. This is Tuesday morning. And you ask yourself, out of these 59 items on my plate, what is that one thing that moves the ball forward, makes me better? And then you just do that. And the hardest part is that you actually say no to everything else. You delete. Because by default, we people, we always want to add stuff because that's safe. Deleting feels scary. But you do the opposite. You live in a one-day cycle where the most important task is to just identify that one thing that moves the ball forward the most and then just do that. You literally empty your tank and your success doing the thing that matters the most at the end of the day. And that's it. When you win one Tuesday, when you actually win enough of those Tuesdays in a row, you don't have to worry about that 1 year plan. 27, 28, 29 doesn't matter because you always get what you deserve. That's the beauty of it. So focus on one day, make sure that you identify what your signal is, and you don't have to do any of those 26 or 27 plans in your life anymore.